Welcome to my channel, Magnificent World Through My Eyes.
Gate number 1, waiting for my friend to join us. And there she comes, here she comes, here she is. With a bag. बहुत लगे तो छोटी सी बैग है.
A journey to Valley of Flowers has started, which is in Uttarakhand. To reach Valley of Flowers, it would be a moderate track with some difficult section. The actual track would start from Pulna, so till Pulna it would be a road journey for us. Our trip is approximately of 8 days, so we had taken 1 week's leave from our office. So today is day 1, and after logging off from our shift, we hired an in-drive cab from Delhi to Rishikesh, which is a 6-hour journey, and in between we would be taking a dinner break. As per our research, there is an early morning bus from Rishikesh to Badrinath, which we have to board. We are expected to reach Rishikesh by 3 or 3:30 am, so that we can catch the early morning bus at 4:30. On day 2, we would be boarding an early morning bus from Rishikesh to Govindgarh. The bus is going to Badrinath, but we will get down at Govindgarh. From Govindgarh, we will either take a cab or hike till Pulna, which is around 4 kilometers away. In Pulna, we would be staying that night at a Gurudwara, and the next day early morning our actual trek would start. Day 3 and the actual track begins from Pulna to Gangeria. It is approximately 16 kilometers to Gangeria, and it will take us around 8 to 10 hours. In Gangeria, we would be staying that night in a Gurudwara. Gangeria would become a base camp for rest of our trip. Day 4 starts early in the morning. We will start our journey to Valley of Flowers and then return back to Gangeria as Valley of Flowers closes by 5 pm. Valley of Flowers is a national park spread over 87 square kilometers in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. Valley of Flowers National Park is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the best time to visit Valley of Flowers is between July to September, when the flowers are in full bloom, this after the monsoon. Day 5, we will start a trek from Gangeria to Hemkund Sahib and will come back to Gangeria for a night stay. Hemkund Sahib, also known as Gurudwara Sri Hemkund Sahib Ji, is a holy place for the Sikh. The Gurudwara is located on the bank of Lake Hemkund and is surrounded by snow-capped peaks and mountains. Day 6, we will say goodbye to the majestic Valley of Flowers and make our way back to Pulna for a night's stay. one final trek of 16 kilometers from Gangeria to Pulna. Day 7, again it's an early morning bus journey from Pulna to Rishikesh. And on day 8, we will be travelling back to Delhi from Rishikesh. I am really excited for this trip and can't wait for the fun-filled adventure ahead. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please